Rose, I had the best weekend of my life.
Really?
Absolutely.
What did you do?
Well, I stayed home.
Wait, what?
I stayed home.
That's the best weekend of your life?
Okay, I didn't just stay home.
Oh, here we go.
I went out.
Where?
Somewhere.
Caleb.
Okay, I had plans.
Did you actually have plans or did you just leave your house once?
That's a very negative way to describe my weekend.
I'm just asking questions.
Fine, my weekend was a vibe.
A vibe?
Yes,
You went out for 2 hours, didn't you?
maybe.
Okay, today we're talking about how Gen Z talks about their weekends in English.
And apparently, we're also exposing my boring weekend.
Exactly.
When someone asks you, how was your weekend, what do you usually say?
Maybe it was good or it was fun.
Those sentences are correct, but today we're going to learn more natural ways to talk about your weekend.
You'll learn how to talk about going out, staying home, hanging out with friends, making spontaneous plans, and even having a completely lazy weekend.
And we're going to use expressions that you might actually hear young people using in everyday conversations.
So let's talk about our weekends.
Mine was amazing,
You already said that.
because it's true.
We'll be the judge of that. Okay, Caleb, let's start with the important question.
I'm ready.
What did you get up to this weekend?
Oh, I did so much.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell me.
On Friday night, I went out with some friends.
Okay, that's a good start.
We went to this new restaurant downtown.
Oh, nice.
We grabbed some food and just talked for a few hours.
What did you eat?
Burgers.
That's it?
What do you mean that's it?
You made it sound like you went to some amazing restaurant.
It was amazing.
It was a burger place.
It was a very good burger place.
Okay, I'll give you that.
Anyway, after dinner, my friend said there was a party nearby.
Oh,
So we decided to go.
just like that?
Yeah, it was completely spontaneous.
You didn't plan it?
Nope.
So you just decided to go?
Exactly.
That's actually pretty fun.
Right?
Sometimes the best plans are the ones you don't make.
Exactly.
So, how was the party?
It was a vibe.
What does that mean?
It means the atmosphere was really good.
So you had fun?
Yeah, the music was good, everyone was having fun, and the place looked really cool.
Nice.
We stayed for a while,
How long?
until
Until
11.
11.
What?
You called that staying for a while?
It was late.
Caleb, that's not late.
It is when you're tired.
How old are you?
I don't appreciate that question. Anyway, I went home.
And then?
I went to sleep.
So your amazing weekend was dinner, a party, and going to bed at 11?
When you say it like that, it sounds boring.
Because it is boring.
No, Saturday was much better.
Okay, what happened Saturday?
I woke up late.
How late?
10.
That's not late.
It is for me.
You are really not helping your case.
Anyway, I got a message from my friend.
What did they say?
They asked if I wanted to go out.
And what did you say?
I said yes.
Immediately?
Well,
Caleb,
I said yes after thinking about it for 5 minutes.
that's basically immediately.
Fine.
So where did you go?
We were just out and about.
What does that mean?
It means we were out doing different things. Nothing was really planned.
So you didn't have a specific plan?
Not really.
You just went wherever.
Exactly.
That sounds nice.
It was.
What did you do?
We walked around downtown.
Okay.
We looked at some stores.
Okay.
Then we got coffee.
Okay.
Then we sat in the park.
So basically, you walked, shopped, and drank coffee.
Yes.
And that was your exciting Saturday.
You're making it sound very boring.
I'm just repeating what you said.
It was actually really fun.
Why?
I don't know. We weren't in a hurry. We just talked and enjoyed the day.
That actually sounds pretty nice.
See?
Yeah, sometimes you don't need a big plan.
Exactly.
Sometimes you can just go with the flow.
That's what we did.
So what happened Saturday night?
Nothing.
Nothing?
I stayed in.
Ah,
What?
finally the truth.
I was tired.
So you stayed home.
Yes.
What did you do?
I ordered food
Of course.
and watched a movie.
What movie?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
I fell asleep halfway through. It was a long day.
So you had a busy day and then you just chilled at home.
Exactly.
That's actually a perfect weekend.
Thank you.
But your weekend was the best weekend of your life.
It was.
You stayed home and fell asleep during a movie.
I also had burgers.
Okay, now I'm convinced. My weekend was completely different.
Really? What did you get up to?
Honestly, not much.
You didn't go out?
Not really.
What happened?
I had a pretty low-key weekend.
Low key?
Yeah, it means relaxed and not very busy or exciting.
So basically, you did nothing.
Excuse me?
That's what low key means, right?
No.
Sorry.
I just had a relaxed weekend.
Okay, what did you do?
On Friday night, I stayed in.
What did you do?
I ordered takeout and watched a show.
Alone?
Yes.
That's not a little sad.
No,
Okay,
I actually enjoyed it.
fair enough.
On Saturday morning, I met my friend for coffee.
Nice.
We grabbed some coffee and talked.
About what?
Everything.
That's very specific.
We talked about work, relationships, life.
Ah, the usual.
Exactly.
Did anything interesting happen?
Actually, yes.
What?
My friend invited me to a concert.
Wait, you went to a concert?
No.
Why not?
I wasn't feeling it.
What does that mean?
It means I wasn't in the mood for it.
So you didn't want to go.
Right.
Why?
I was tired and I just wanted to relax.
That's fair.
My friend understood.
So what did you do instead?
I went home.
And
I cleaned my apartment.
wow,
What?
that's your idea of fun?
Don't judge me.
I'm not judging you.
You are absolutely judging me.
A little. Did you at least do something fun on Sunday?
Yes.
Finally.
I went to a small cafe with my sister.
Nice.
We had coffee and dessert.
Now you're speaking my language.
We talked for hours.
That sounds nice.
It was.
So overall, how would you describe your weekend?
I'd say it was pretty low-key.
And mine was exciting.
Yours was also low-key.
No, it wasn't.
You went home at 11.
That's not the point.
You fell asleep during a movie.
I was tired.
And you spent half of Saturday walking around and drinking coffee.
That was fun.
So your weekend was low-key too.
Okay, fine.
Admit it.
My weekend was low-key.
Thank you.
But it was a vibe.
Okay, I'll give you that.
See, it was a vibe.
What does a vibe mean again?
It means the atmosphere or feeling was really good.
Exactly.
So even if you don't do anything crazy, you can still have a great weekend.
Absolutely.
Sometimes you can just chill,
Stay in.
hang out with friends,
Grab some food.
go out and about.
Or just have a low-key weekend.
Exactly.
But wait,
What?
you haven't told me about Sunday.
Oh,
What did you do?
nothing.
Nothing?
I stayed in.
Again?
I needed to recover.
Recover from what?
My amazing weekend.
Caleb,
What?
you went to a burger restaurant and left a party at 11.
It was exhausting. I needed a day to recover.
Okay, let's call it a recovery day.
Thank you.
So how was your weekend really?
Honestly,
Yes?
it was pretty chill.
There we go.
I had fun, but I also had time to relax.
That's a good weekend.
What about you?
Same. I didn't do anything crazy, but I enjoyed myself.
So we're both fans of low-key weekends.
Apparently.
We should have just stayed home together.
Excuse me?
I mean, as friends.
Caleb.
I'm joking.
Are you?
Yes.
Hmm.
Anyway,
Anyway,
what are you doing next weekend?
I don't know yet.
Want to make some plans?
Sure.
Great.
What should we do?
Something fun.
Like what?
I don't know.
Caleb.
maybe we should just go with the flow.
That's probably safer.
Exactly.
And hopefully you can stay awake past 11 this time.
No promises. Okay, let's look at some of the useful expressions from our conversation.
These are phrases you can use when talking about your own weekend with friends.
What did you get up to?
This is a casual way to ask someone what they did.
For example, what did you get up to this weekend?
You can use this with friends, family, or people you know well.
It's a very natural way to start a conversation about someone's weekend.
I just chilled.
This means you relaxed and didn't do anything stressful or serious.
For example, I didn't go anywhere. I just chilled at home.
This is informal and common in casual conversations.
I stayed in.
I stayed in means you stayed at home instead of going out.
For example, I was tired, so I stayed in on Saturday night.
You can use this when talking about relaxing at home.
It was pretty low-key.
Low-key means relaxed, quiet, and not very busy or exciting.
For example, my weekend was pretty low-key. I just watched movies and relaxed.
It's a casual expression often used when talking about plans or events.
We grabbed some food.
Grab some food means to get or eat some food, usually in a casual and informal way.
For example, let's grab some food after work.
You don't have to literally grab the food with your hands.
Please don't do that.
We ended up.
We use ended up when something happens differently from what we originally expected.
For example, we planned to go to the movies, but we ended up staying home.
It's very useful when telling stories about your weekend.
It was a vibe.
This means something had a really good atmosphere or feeling.
For example, the cafe was so cozy. It was a vibe.
It's informal and casual, so it's best for conversations with friends.
I wasn't feeling it.
This means you weren't in the mood for something or didn't really want to do it.
For example, my friends wanted to go out, but I wasn't feeling it.
It's a natural way to say you weren't interested or didn't feel like doing something.
I'm still recovering.
This means you're still tired or getting your energy back after something exhausting.
For example, that party was crazy. I'm still recovering.
Of course, you can also use it jokingly.
Like Caleb recovering from leaving a party at 11.
Exactly. Now it's time to practice.
We'll choose 5 useful phrases.
Listen carefully and repeat each one out loud.
Phrase 1. What did you get up to?
Slowly, what did you get up to?
This means, what did you do?
Example, what did you get up to this weekend?
Now you repeat. What did you get up to?
I just chilled. This means you relaxed and didn't do much.
Example, I didn't go anywhere. I just chilled at home.
Now you try.
I just chilled.
Pretty low key.
It was pretty low-key.
This means it was relaxed and not very busy or exciting.
Example, my weekend was pretty low-key.
Your turn.
It was pretty low-key.
We ended up.
We ended up.
Use this when something happens differently from what you originally planned.
Example, we wanted to go out, but we ended up staying home.
Now repeat.
We ended up staying home.
I wasn't feeling it.
I wasn't feeling it.
This means you weren't in the mood for something.
Example, my friends invited me out, but I wasn't feeling it.
Now you try.
I wasn't feeling it.
Time for a quick quiz. Let's see if you remember today's expressions.
Question 1.
Your friend asks you, what did you do this weekend? Which casual question could they ask instead?
A, what did you get up to?
B, what did you eat yesterday?
Or C, where is your weekend?
The answer is A. What did you get up to?
Question 2.
Your friends invite you to a party, but you're tired and don't want to go.
Which phrase can you use?
A. I wasn't feeling it.
B, I grabbed it.
Or C. It ended up.
The answer is
A. I wasn't feeling it.
question 3. You planned to go shopping, but you changed your mind and stayed home.
Which sentence is correct?
We ended up staying home.
We stayed up home.
Or C, we grabbed home.
The answer is
A, we ended up staying home.
great job.
And that's how you can talk about your weekend in a more natural and casual way.
Remember, you don't always need complicated vocabulary to sound natural.
Simple phrases like, I just chilled, I stayed in, and it was pretty low-key can make your conversation sound much more natural.
And if someone asks you,
What did you get up to this weekend?
now you know exactly what to say.
So, here's your question.
What did you get up to last weekend?
Did you go out?
Did you hang out with friends?
Or did you just stay in and chill?
Tell us about your weekend in the comments.
And try to use at least one phrase from today's video.
If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to English with Rosme for more natural English conversations.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye!
Bye!